Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Keralakam CBSE School Mudon online classes. In previous class, we discussed 14th problem of exercise 6.3. Today I will continue with 15th problem. So here, what is given in 15th problem? A vertical pole of length 6 meters. So here, this is the vertical pole of 6 meters. Cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. So this is the 4 meter shadow of the vertical pole 6 meter. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter. At the same time only, a tower casts a shadow of 28 meters. Find the height of the tower. So here we have to find out the height of this tower. So this is the pole of 6 meter and this is the shadow of this pole. Here it is 4 meter. At the same time, the shadow of this tower is 28 meter and we have to find out the length of this tower. Means length of the AB. So here we know that at the same time the light rays from the sun will fall on tower and pole. At the same time only the sun rays fall on the pole and tower. Therefore, we can say that these two angles and these two angles are equal because what is that? Light rays from the sun will fall on tower and pole at the same time. Therefore, we can say that these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. And here, this pole and tower is vertical, means 90 degree. Because this pole and tower both are vertical to ground. These two are vertical to ground. Therefore, we can consider these two angles as 90 degree. So first, what we will do? We will prove these two triangles are similar by using these three angles. Now we know these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal and these two angles are 90 degree only. So now by using these three angles we can prove that these two triangles are similar. So here in triangle CDF and triangle ABE, what we can write here? This angle C means DCF, angle DCF equals to angle BAE means this angle BAE. Like that only we know that these two angles are equal. Therefore, angle CFD equals to this angle is AEB. Angle AEB. So now, under the remaining angle, these two angles are 90 degree because these two pole and vertical are perpendicular to or vertical to ground. Therefore, CDF angle CDF equals to angle ABE. This angle ABE. Therefore, what you can write? Triangle CDF is similar to triangle ABE. Triangle ABE by angle. Because these three angles are equal, therefore by AAA angle, these two triangles are similar. So now we know that if these two triangles are similar, then we know that corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional in similar triangle. Therefore, I will consider here this AB by CD, AB by CD, these two are corresponding sides, like that only equals to BE by DF, because these two are corresponding sides. Therefore, AB by CD, AB by CD equals to here BE by DF, BE by DF. Because these two are corresponding parts of similar triangles. Therefore, AB by CD equals to BE by DF. So now we have to find out this value, AB value. So here AB by, what is the CD value here? CD is 6 meter equals to BE length is 28 meter. Therefore, here it is 28 meter and DF length is 4 meter. Therefore, 28 by 4. 28 by 4 means here 4 on the 4 7 28. Therefore, what you get here? What you got here? AB by 6 is equal to 7. So now I will move this 6 to other side because I have to get the value of AB. When you move this 6 to other side, so it becomes 7 into 6. 7 into 6 means what is the answer? AB is equals to 7 into 6 means 42 meters is the answer. Length of the AB is 42 meters. Length of AB means what is that? Length of the tower is 42 meters. So here you should write length of the tower is 42 meters. So what we did here? We should prove these two triangles as similar. How? These three angles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are similar, and we should consider corresponding sides. We know that in similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, we should consider corresponding sides, and we will get AB by CD is equal to BE by DF, and consider the values those of which they are given here. AB by CD means CD is 6 and BE is 28 and DF is 4. So if we calculate, what is the answer? 48 meters. Therefore, length of the tower is 42 meter is the answer. So now I will move to the next problem, last one, 16th problem. So in 16th problem, what are given here? If AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR. So here I will consider first two triangles ABC and PQR because they are given AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR. First I will consider two triangles ABC and PQR, and what are given here? AD and PM are medians. Here this AD and PM are medians where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, but we have to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So here what they are given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So here, if these two triangles are similar, then what we can write? Corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB by PQ, AB by PQ equals to this AC by PR, AC by PR equals to BC by QR. BC by QR. So the sides of similar triangles are proportional. This I will consider as 1. And we know that corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Therefore, here, what are the corresponding angles here? Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle A, P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Next, angle C is equal to angle R. Angle C is equals to angle R. So this I will consider as second, because corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. So this is given. Now in given, again what they have given, AD and PM are medians. AD and PM are medians. Here I will write AD and PM are medians. And we know that always this median bisect opposite side, means this BD is half of the BC, like that only QM is half of the QR, because this median always bisect opposite side. Here BC is opposite side of median AD and QR is opposite side of median PM. Therefore, what we can write here? This BD is equals to BC by 2. Like that only here QM equals to QR by 2, and here QM is equal to QR by 2. So now I will consider this as third. So here what they are given, these two triangles are similar and these two are medians. If these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles should be equal to each other, and if these two are medians, then these will bisect opposite sides, means BD is equal to BC by 2, QM is equal to QR by 2. So this is given. Now here what we have to prove? What we have to prove here? AB by PQ equals to AD by PM. AD by PM we have to prove. So now to prove this, first I will consider here, from first what we can consider, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. I will consider AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR from first. So here AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. So now BC means I will multiply here both sides 1 by 2. BC by, in the place of BC by QR, what I will do? I will multiply 1 by 2 here to both sides. So here AB by PQ is equal to 1 by 2 into BC divided by 1 by 2 into QR. So what I did here, I multiplied 1 by 2 to both sides. If you divide 1 by 2, what you will get? Same answer, BC by QR. So there is no change. Therefore, AB by PQ is equals to 1 by 2 into BC divided by 1 by 2 into QR. So now we know that BC by 2. 1 by 2 BC means 1 by 2 into BC means BC by 2. BC by 2 means what is the answer? BD. BD is equals to BC by 2. So here AB by PQ is equal to, here 1 by 2 BC means 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 BC means what will make? BD, sorry, BC by 2, and 1 by 2 QR means what will get? QR by 2. So now BC by 2 means, BC by 2 means what is the answer? BD. Here I will write BD, and QR by 2 means, here QR by 2 means QM. This is from third. Here we got BD is equal to BC by 2, QM is equal to QR by 2. This is from third. And here AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. I have written it from 1. So now what I got? AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Now I will consider triangle ABD and PQM. Therefore now I will consider triangle ABD and triangle PQM. These two triangles ABD and PQM. These two triangles. Here what we know here, angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Here corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. B is equal to Q. From 2, angle B is equal to angle Q. From 2. Here we have written. Why? We know that they are given, these two are similar triangles, therefore corresponding angles are equal, therefore this angle B is equal to angle Q. And again we know that here AB by PQ is equal to BD by PM. Here this AB by PQ is equal to this BD by QM. These two sides are equal. Therefore here I will write AB by PQ equals to BD by QM. So now I will consider this as 4, and this is from 4 because AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. We proved here. So now in this triangle ABD and PQM, what we proved? These two angles are equal and these two sides and these two sides are proportional. Therefore, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side because here two sides and one angle. Therefore, by side angle side, we can say that these two triangles ABD and PQM are similar. And we know that when two triangles are similar, we know that corresponding sides should be proportional. Therefore, here we can write, therefore, this AB by PQ equals to BD by QM, BD by QM, and the remaining side is AD by QM. Sorry, AD by PM. Here I will write AD by PM. Therefore, what we got here? AB by PQ equals to AD by PM. Hence, we proved this AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM here. What we have to prove? AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. We proved that. See here again. To prove this, what they are given, these two triangles are similar, so that all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are proportional. So here we have written that in given. And We have to prove that here AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. But here what I have done, ABC is similar to PQR, so that we cannot directly write AD by PM. These two are not sides of triangle ABC and PQR. These two are medians. But we have to prove that. Now in proof, first we have to consider this AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Here AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So that I will multiply here 1 by 2 to both sides, and we know that BC by 2 by QR by 2 means, what is the answer? BC by 2 means BD, QR by 2 means QM. Why? We know that always medians bisect opposite sides, therefore we will get here BD by QM. Here BD by QM. Now we will consider these two triangles ABB and PQM. So here these two sides are proportional and these two sides are proportional and these two angles are equal. So now by side angle side these two triangles are similar, therefore all the sides are proportional to each other of these two similar triangles. So here we got AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. So that we can write here AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So try to write all the problems in this format only. Don't write any problem directly. First you have to write given, what they are given. Write it clearly. After that only go to next step, what you have to prove. Write the next step to prove. And before writing proof, you should write construction. If you have done any construction, so here before writing proof, we should write construction. If you have done any construction here, but here we have not done any construction, so directly we can write proof. Therefore, here AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, and I will consider these two triangles are similar, and we can prove that if these two triangles are similar, we can get the answer as AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM, because those two are corresponding sides. So don't forget to write all these things in all the problems. Don't write directly given, to prove, and after that construction, after that proof. I hope you all are clear with these problems. This completes exercise 6.3. In next class I will continue with exercise 6.4. Thank you all.